She was an elderly black woman, a credible witness who lived in the same neighborhood and knew victim Larry Rogers. Nellie Trammell told the jury it was Monday, March 30th, driving along Ezra Church Drive. A faded green station wagon suddenly pulled out in front of her. Angry, she looked over and saw the driver. The witness pointed him out in court today, Wayne Williams. Next to him, she said, was the slightly retarded boy she knew, Larry Rogers. However, Mrs. Trammell told the court, Rogers was in a strange position, slouched over against the door. The car, she said, then sped away. Larry Rogers apparently disappeared that day, his body being found a week later inside a vacant apartment near Simpson Road.
But her most surprising testimony was about this place, the Techwood Homes housing project on Techwood Drive in Atlanta. She told authorities that she didn't report seeing Larry Rogers with Wayne Williams the first time because she thought Wayne Williams was a news reporter, news photographer. Why? Well, she said about 10 days earlier, on March 20th, she was here at the housing project, and she saw Williams here with a news camera. She said that was the day that the Bat Patrol members were arrested by police. It was a big news media event. Well, that night, a person who lived in this area, Eddie Duncan, disappeared, and he became a victim on the task force list.
A popular theory was that the alleged killer fed on publicity, and since the Bat Patrol boasted of protecting its children, police think the killer wanted to get a victim from the patrol's backyard. Eddie Duncan was that victim taken from the project that night. Mrs. Trammell put Williams at the scene that day and then said Duncan was there also. She spoke to him about the murders. With a final swing at the defense, the woman placed Williams at two other incriminating places, the funerals of both Larry Rogers and Eddie Duncan. However, Judge Cooper instructed the jury to disregard any testimony it heard concerning Duncan, since he is not one of the 10 cases allowed into evidence to show a pattern of murders.